In this video, we are going to understand how to create multiplication table for a given number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new class. So let's go to the package, right click and click on new and then class. So once you click on class, it will ask for the name of the class. I'm going to give it as multiplication and then public static void main, check the checkbox and click on finish button. So once you have created this class, so first you need to understand what exactly you need to write this particular program. So in order to write this, you already know data types and you already know for loop as well. So we are going to make use of both of them. Let me initialize one variable int num is equal to, let's say I'm writing a table of sixth table. So int num is equal to 6. And then after that for I is equal to int I is equal to 1 and then I less than or equal to 6 and then I need to increment by I plus plus. So what I wanted to do, I want I less than or equal to 10 because we wanted to write till 10 times. So 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3 till 6 into 10 times we wanted to display. So once that is done, now what I wanted to do is I want to use system print system.out.printf. So printf is also available in Java, how the way we use in C. Okay, hope you already aware of C. If you are not aware also, just understand by looking at this program. So what we wanted to do, I wanted to write 6 into 1 is equal to the value of it. 6 into 1, 6 dot 1, that is 6 star 1 is equal to 6. That is what I am going to do. So to do that, percentile D and then star and then percentile D is equal to, the outcome is also percentile D. So now what I'm going to do is I wanted to give the values what I have used. First one is my number, that is 6, and then each time 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3, that is what I is getting iterated here. So num, first one, second one I, and the last one is num star I. Once that is done, close and then run this program and see what is going to happen. So if you look at, the program will display in this manner, 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12, like this it will display. So but what I wanted to do is I wanted to display it in line by line format. So to do that, what you have to do is /n and then click on run button. Automatically you will see the program in the format of how you do your multiplication. This is how you will write the program using for loop. The same can be achieved using while loop also. How to do that? So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to initialize my I value here int 1. Instead of for loop, what I'm going to do is while I less than or equal to 10 and then this remains the same and I is equal to 1 and close it. So if you run this program, automatically you will get the same output. What happened here, I did not increment the I value. So to do that, what you have to do is you have to make sure that you are incrementing your I value, write it as I plus plus and close, because in for loop you will increment it in the first statement itself, but while you have to increment it here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run and see how it is going to display the program. So this is how it will get displayed. So in your interview or somebody asks you to display the program using multiplication for using for loop or while loop, do it according to the requirement. If they ask you to display it in for, do it in for. If they ask you to do it in while, do it in while. Most of the people, what they'll say, whatever they know, they'll say that it can be done in this way. No, don't do that. So whatever is the requirement the interviewer is asking, do it based on that. If at all he did not specify either it in for or while, so better to go with for first. If at all he exclusively asks for while, then do it with while. So this is how you will write the logic for this.